insurance will be too much, eh? You know, it's, we're gonna come up with something. Aren't you excited? Like, don't you want to get a car? I thought you were.
Like, I get what's happening. I get that.
Well, I know, and you're my best friend, and thank you. You're really so cool.
It's fine. Like I said, stuff happens. Whatever.
But I thought you really were excited about that little car, and I thought you were really disappointed.
Then I was excited about.
She wanted to go to Callaway, though, too, right? Before the end of summer.
Well, I don't know, whatever.
So let's decide, like he's saying that, and John feels bad, you know, like he says he'll help us out again, but I don't know, I looked through the private sales, those cars are really expensive, like I don't know what to do. And that's bugging me, Catherine, I can't, because I promise you a car, I told you I'll buy you a car for graduation, and that shit, thank God that got sold though too, eh?
Yeah, that's good, that's really good.
But I can't sit there anymore waiting for you to come home.
Yeah.
Especially through the Chinook Center. That's another thing that just drives me nuts. Well, at least a good thing was about that old car that the insurance started, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, what are your thoughts? What are we going to do?
I don't really know, because I don't know, like, because next month is coming up, so I don't know if I should bother wasting money on the bus pass, or should I just get bus tickets?
She told me you hated that transit. That already gets to me. That's another thing that really bothers me.
Well, I guess I'll have to live with it. Like, I don't know what else to do. I don't know.
Aren't there creeps on the bus or something? That just tell me, because you know this is what it's continuously. Remember how there were killings at that Chinook, how there were all the stuff. This is continuously on my mind. Doesn't anybody ever bother you on the bus? Doesn't some creepy, smelly guy comes close to you and just strikes a conversation?
They all go to the back because they all think people are gonna go back there. I don't know.
But no, seriously, don't you think that if you finally ever get the car, like, I mean, I don't know, wouldn't that be easier? Oh my God.
Will come, right? Eventually.
But I don't know what to do. I'm at the wit's end. You know, I'm not a rich person. That's a problem. I thought I will get away with a cheap buy, and I was so happy, and she was happy, and everything was happy, and then now I'm, like, looked everywhere, and it's like, I don't know what's happening to car prices and stuff. Well, actually, I got the list. Oh, go into my car. I got the list for you. I need that. I meant to bring it up. In the garage. Just go. I think I left it open. There's a list between the seats.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's open. Bring me that list, eh? It's right between the seats. Right between the seats.
I know. Are you serious? I'm gonna cry.
Don't cry. Don't cry, honey. Don't cry. Don't cry. Let's go look at you in your car. Honey, don't cry. What's the matter?
It's like the same thing with the iPhone. Can you go get the out of the microwave and then freaking open it?
I thought you'd be loud. I thought you'd be screaming and stuff. She just starts.
I'm shocked.
Are you shocked?
Yeah.
Do you like your car?